Hello, Math 1 folks, guys, again. So here we're going to go over the answers for the odds on lesson uh, Unit 7, Section 3. Um, so if you haven't done them, stop and do them. Here, we're on page 402 and page 403. I wanted you to do 5 through 11 odd is all. So anyways, number 5. Again, don't just, do the problem. So this is a trapezoid. The easiest formula is average base times height. And the bases are the two sides that are parallel. So 7 and 4 are your bases. And to get the average, you just add them up and divide by 2. And your height is always the distance between your bases. Anyways, 11 divided by 2 is 5.5 times 3. And 5.5 times 3 is 16 and a half. Centimeters squared. Number 6. So I'll do it the way the book showed here. I'm going to find the area of this triangle, which is 1/2 base times height, which is 24, which is going to be the same as this triangle. So this is 24 and that's 24. And then the rectangle is 9 times 8, which is 72. So you got 24 plus 24 plus 72, which adds up to 120 centimeters squared. That's the way the book shows this. But here, it's average base times height. Here's one base, here's the other base. So 21 plus 9 divided by 2. The average of 21 and 9 is, 30 divided by 2 is 15. And your height is the distance between your bases. 15 times 8 is 120. So I think this is a lot faster way to do it. Number 9, to find the area of a kite, you just find the area of one triangle and double it. And so this is going to be base times height divided by 2. But then if I double it, the 2's cancel. So this is just 11 times 3. The area of the kite's going to be 33 centimeters squared. And then the last one here, this is going to be, this is the trapezoid because you have two parallel sides here. So average base times height. So the bases are 40 and 28 divided by 2. 68 divided by 2 is 34. That's your average. And your height is the distance between your bases. And 34 times 30 is 1,020 feet squared. So there's your answer. So hopefully that was well for you. Again, you could have found this by finding your two little triangles in your rectangle, but I think it's sure a lot easier to use this formula here, right?